Welcome to the world of CTC heat pumps. Did you know the heat pump market is booming? With energy efficiency and trusted performance, CTC heat pumps are leading the sector. Now's the perfect time to expand your business into this thriving market, and you're warmly invited to join our professional CTC training courses. Our courses are more than just theory. They provide valuable insights into overcoming real-world obstacles, ensuring you're well prepared for any situation. Explore our basic course designed for newcomers to heat pump installations. It's perfect for those starting their journey in this innovative field. For experienced installers, our comprehensive course covers everything from installation techniques to troubleshooting. Completing it earns you a certification, boosting your career prospects. System designers and project engineers can benefit from our dedicated module. Learn proper planning, integration, and how to avoid common design mistakes. Our advanced course tackles complex systems, including cascade system design, pool heating, bivalent heating systems, domestic hot water production, active and passive cooling. Elevate your expertise with CTC heat pumps. Meet Igor Przenko, a seasoned professional with extensive hands-on experience. His training courses are packed with practical knowledge and real-life case studies, addressing on-site challenges effectively. Register now to secure your spot at our Go Green Academy. Upgrade your skills and join the ranks of certified CTC professionals today. Training centres conveniently located. Our main training centre is centrally located in Nottinghamshire, right in the heart of the UK, making it easily accessible from all directions. Our northern training facility, based at our headquarters, is ideally positioned for visitors from the north of England and Scotland. Both locations offer free on-site parking, electric vehicle charging points, easy access to the A1 motorway and the East Coast Main Line. Whether you're travelling by car or train, getting to us is simple and convenient.